Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on a website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today, I will be showing you the Access Pet Trainer Appointment Tracking Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. So just hit Extract All. And now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. Alright, this security notice pops up just loading you that this is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful to your computer, but I can assure you that this database is safe. So just hit open. Alright, so this is the Pet Trainer Appointment Tracking Database. It's great for keeping track of all of your appointments and all of your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do Add New Customer. Alright, as you can see, there's all sorts of different information that you can have. I'm just going to fill out a first and last name, email, and an address line. You can also fill out notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history, as well as a picture of the client or the pet if you need to. So I'll just do John Smith and email test@test.com. Alright, so that's pretty much all I'm going to put. So make sure to save and close. And now this customer is in the database, we can now search for him. So we can search by all of these different criteria up here. I'm just going to search by his last name, which was Smith, and then hit search. And there's that customer that we just created. From here you can double click it and it will bring you back to the customer form. You can also delete it or edit any information that you need to. And you can also export the search results to Excel. Alright, so it just pulls all of this information into a new workbook for you. Next thing we're going to do is set up an appointment, and to do that go to Calendar View. So today is June 23rd, 2016. To switch days you can hit the left or right arrow if you want to go forward or backwards a day. And you can also hit the up arrow if you want to pick a specific day out of the year or out of the month. We'll just keep it on for today though. So this is the daily view. We can also do weekly view, bi-weekly, month, and month day. So we'll go back to the daily view. And then trainer, you can look at the calendar by certain trainers. So if you only want to see appointments for like trainer 1, let's say, you can do that, and then it'll show all the appointments for that trainer. I'm just going to show all for right now. And let's make an appointment for noon. So client, we're going to do John Smith, trainer 1. And keep in mind all this drop down information can be changed, and I'll show you how to do that later. Same thing with the type, you can change this information, but we're just going to do individual right now for $50. So notice that the invoice amount goes up to $50 as well. And then the location 1. And we'll also make a few notes, and we can add workers if you want to. You can change those as well, and payment information. And you can also change the start time and end time. But we're just going to keep it, let's make it 12 until 1 o'clock. And then select custom color. We'll make this blue, and then hit save and close. So now we have an appointment for 12 o'clock until 1 o'clock on June 23rd, 2016. Okay, so now that the appointment is all set up and in the database, we can now search for that appointment. You can search by all of these different criteria up here. Let's search by trainer and then hit run search. So this will pull all of the appointments for trainer 1. So the one that we just created, this one right here. This was the only one that was for trainer 1. And we can double click this and it will view it in the calendar form. Or if you click view an appointment form, select that and then double click it, you can view it in the appointment form directly, and you can edit or delete any information that you want. You can also export the search results to Excel, Alec Calendar, or Alec Task. And you can also print a detailed version, which is what this would look like, or you can print a summary version, so a little less detailed. Alright, back to the main menu, and the next thing we're going to take a look at is maintenance lookups. I believe we saw in the appointment form location, service type, and trainers. So let's change location. So location 3 is going to be changed to the park, and we're also going to add a location, which would be backyard, something like that, and then hit close, and that will save automatically, so don't worry about that. And just to show you that it did change and make sure that it did change, so we're gonna add a new appointment and then look at location. So location 3 changed to the park, and then backyard is added. Perfect. So that's how the maintenance works. And then calendar setup, we can change the parameters of the calendar, such as like first day of the week. You can change that to whatever day you want. Another common one would be changing the start time or end time. And then you can change the intervals. And then hit save and close. And last thing we're going to do is look at reports. We have to make a start date and an end date. So the 16th and let's say the 30th. So that way our appointment that we created was within that time parameter, and then we can print the invoices for that time period. So there you go, that appointment shows up on the invoice for $50. Got some notes and all sorts of other information. You can also do accounts receivable and a cash ledger. Those work pretty much the same way, so don't have to show you that. Alright, that's pretty much all there is to this database. It's pretty easy to operate, and it's powerful at the same time too. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.